What's up everybody, it's your boy Drew on X Factor. In today's video, we're going to be testing out the DJI Mavic Air's point of interest mode. Are you ready?
Don't pull me closer, why don't you pull me close? Why don't you come on over? I can't just let you go. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle?
Before I even get started, I want to caution you guys, this mode will not work unless you hit record. Like most modes on the DJI Mavic Air, the other flight modes, from the time you initiate them, like the smart shots, it records itself. I got so used to testing the smart shots that I thought this point of interest would be the same way. From the time you initiate the point of interest mode, it would start recording, and well, guess what? It doesn't. So now I know, now you know that you need to hit record before you try this mode. Okay, today's point of interest. Voila. We are at the Greenpoint. Greenpoint? Is that it? Yeah, Greenpoint Beer and Ale Company. Look at that. That makes it certainly a nice orbit. Now it's pretty windy, so I fear I don't want to fly too far, and I'd like to stay in the car and try this mode out. So I will literally step outside for a little bit, right over here, take off right here, head over to the point of interest, and let's try this mode out. Are you ready? Let's get airborne. Alright, we are over this thing. Let us go into the different modes. Let me see how it reacts now. Let's go back in the car. We're in position, so everything should be good. Point of interest. Let me make sure we're recording. Yes, everything's recording. Altitude 43 feet. It will remain at that altitude. Fly the aircraft above the point of interest and set that position as the point of interest. So right now we're over what we want to circle. Right now let's hit apply. So it will lock this point in. Now I want to go dead center of this location. I'm getting pushed around a little bit because it's very windy up there, but this is pretty much what I want. So let me go forward a little bit more, to the left a little bit more, make sure that I'm directly over this thing, and that's what I want. I will hit apply right here. Alright, now I set the radius and I hit start. Radius range 5. Okay, I think we have to go back a little bit, at least 5 meters we have to be from whatever it is that we want to orbit. Let's hit start. And here we go. It gives us a warning of, not a warning, it gives us a breakdown of what the sticks do. You can throw out with the left stick, you can go higher while it's orbiting, you can go lower while it's orbiting, you can go to the left and spin the drone on its axis to the left, spin the drone on its right on its axis while this thing is locked in and orbiting. Also, with the right stick, you can get close to what you're orbiting because it's already locked in from the beginning where the orbit point is. You can increase the radius by pulling back on the stick while it's orbiting. You can move clockwise and counterclockwise away from whatever you're orbiting while. So you have complete control over this orbit mode. So it tells you that. And there we have another screen popping up as it orbits. Beautiful. Do you see that? Look at it. It's doing that on its own. Look at that shot as it orbits there. You can see the drone going around this thing, and this drone is doing a beautiful job. I must say, it is doing an absolutely fantastic job holding its position, doing its orbit. This is so impressive. And I hit record from the initial before I even started the point of interest, so it has been recording. Again, guys, you have to remember to hit record before you start the point of interest, otherwise you won't know. Now this also has some cool features. Now that you've seen the full orbit, now you have speed control. It can actually orbit faster. Let's see how. Look at this. We have just increased the speed to 4.3 miles an hour, which is a really fast orbit. Look at this drone orbit this thing super fast. Now let's slow it down. We can even slow down much more. Look at that. Look at that. And go in the opposite direction. How about that? We just switched the direction. How about that? And of course you can go full speed in the other direction. How about that? This is absolutely super cool. I'm totally impressed. Okay, let's slow down. I don't like this high speed orbiting thing. Let's go in the other direction. Yes, here we go. It caches itself. Let's line up back this camera as it orbits. This is totally awesome. You can also hit pause right on the screen. You can hit pause and hold the drone in place. That is totally impressive. At the top right, you can also monitor your radius, how far you are from your point of interest, and your altitude. Right now I'm only 42 feet and it's absolutely beautiful. This little thing is gorgeous. I'm happy I decided to make the stop here and do this. You can also hide this menu at the bottom. Now we've stopped it, it's recording for a while. Let's hit resume. So it's pretty nice that they have the pause and resume button right there. Look at that. You can adjust to the right, so that way while it's orbiting you have full control over this stick. Also, you can go higher and you can go lower. I like this 42 feet, but let's go a little higher. You also have control over your gimbal. So look at that. While it orbits, you get a completely different view or a completely different feel. I like the close-up, so we're going to go down back to 42 feet from 60, and I like the fact that it shows you your altitude, so you can always remember it and adjust it as you need. We were somewhere around 42. We'll stay right here at 45. And of course you have full control over your gimbal, which is pretty awesome. Still doing its orbit. Awesome. Now the radius is 21 feet. We're actually 21 feet from what we're orbiting, which is pretty close. Now we can also pull back and increase that distance. So let's pull back as it orbits, and increase that distance. Of course we will have to raise the gimbal, but look at that now. Look at that. Now this shot, as we pull away, is something you might want to adjust your speed, because now that you're further away from your point of interest, you might want to circle faster. Let's increase the speed. That might be a little tip or trick for you, and keep it in focus as it orbits, which is pretty darn awesome. You know, remember, this thing is moving to your left, it's moving to your right, so you want to make sure that there's nothing around you. No trees, no obstacles, anything that this drone can hit, because this does not, I repeat, does not have side obstacle avoidance sensors, only front and rear. Okay, so we will pause this for a sec. Point of interest paused, which is pretty cool. And this is high wind, guys. This is like, I'll double check it, but I'm sure it's about 38-35 mile an hour wind. So this drone is doing a phenomenal job. I think our radius was somewhere around 20 something feet. There we go. Let's stick around 28 feet and let's resume. Bring the gimbal down as you have full control. Now, while the drone is orbiting, that means it stays on its course, it's orbiting what you selected it, it's doing its thing, it's locked in. Now guess what? You want to look away. You say, you know what, I want to stay on that trajectory, circling and circling and circling, but I want to see what else is out there. So let me look up with my gimbal. Not a problem. While it's staying on its orbiting path, look at that. You can actually look away and see what's in your environment. Not only that, but you can spin the drone on its axis while it's orbiting. How crazy is that? And this drone is still orbiting, and you're looking at whatever you want, wherever you want, while this drone is still orbiting on its trajectory. Yes, that is Manhattan in the background that you see over there. That is, let's look back at this. That is the city. Absolutely, that is Manhattan. Now, if you forget, oh my gosh, I can't find my point of interest. What did I do? Say you're looking completely in the opposite direction. Oh my gosh, I'm still circling. Where's my point of interest? I lost. You see that little blue bar at the bottom that says towards point of POI? You hit that little button and guess what? The drone's gonna spin back around while it's orbiting and lock itself back onto its point of interest. All you need to do is adjust the gimbal. How fantastic is that? This thing is the ultimate orbit. This, I am totally impressed, guys. Like, this is one of my favorite modes. I hope this video was helpful. This is your boy Drone X Factor, and I've got to be orbiting out.